Okay, so I want to show you how to install this Twinmotion Musical Pack Rigs. So it's sort of like an expansion pack to this musical pack. Okay, so a lot of people have been reporting having problems installing this. So I'm going to show you how to install it. So the first thing you want to do is you want to download this, right, to Unreal Engine project, and then you want to place it in the content folder, like directly in the content folder, not a subfolder or anything, the first folder, right? So you have the musical pack here. So it contains the meshes and everything, right? And then you want to download this pack, right? The one from Patreon. You want to download the Twinmotion Musical Pack Rigs. So your rigs, you can copy paste them into any folder. So here's the pack. You extract it and then you get the rigs, and then you copy the file, okay, and then go to your project's content folder, like using Windows Explorer, and then just paste it anywhere. You can paste it right here or into a subfolder, it won't matter. So I'm just going to paste it in the current folder right here, right? The moment you do this, it should start reflecting in your Unreal Engine instance. So here are the packs, right? And you can see now that everything works as it's supposed to. So the reason you want to do you want to install this pack first, okay, this one, is you want to keep the reference of these materials. Okay, so these materials, if you pay attention, they're referring to that musical pack that's in the content folder, right? So this musical pack rigs does not contain any materials. It just contains the meshes and the rigs. All right. So this video is kind of like spin-off from the series where we are recreating Fortnite Festival. Okay. And the next episode will be adding like the animated dramas that are inside Fortnite Festival. So yeah.